Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the TROND Power Strip Surge Protector, the best surge protector with extra long cord in the market. Let's get started. Before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. The TROND Power Strip Surge Protector is a powerhouse in the world of surge protection. It features 4 widely spaced AC outlets with surge protection up to 1440 joules, keeping your devices safe from voltage fluctuations and spikes. But what sets this power strip apart is its 5-foot extension cord, making it the best surge protector with extra long cord on the market. In addition to the 4 AC outlets, this power strip also boasts 4 USB ports, including one USB-C charger. With a total power output of 17W 3.4A, you can charge your phone, tablet, and more with ease. The USB charging station is perfect for your bedroom, kitchen, dorm room, and even travel. The TROND Power Strip is designed for convenience with its ultra-flat plug. This design allows you to easily plug it in behind furniture or mount it on the wall using the included mounting screws. The 45-degree angled flat plug ensures it sits snug against the wall, making it perfect for tight spaces. The power strip also features a cable tie for organization, and the 5 feet extension cord gives you the flexibility to place it where you need it most. The compact and square shape of the power strip makes it easy to pack for travel or use on your desktop without slipping off. And there you have it, the TROND Power Strip Surge Protector, the best surge protector with extra long cord available. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab yours today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more in-depth product analyses.